the principal and in charge of discipline, Mr. Nwagereza Anthony. He's the one in charge of discipline and a lecturer Rangi. We have our second deputy, Madam Amuka Sylvia, and in charge of academics and a lecturer agriculture. We have Mr. Ainau Shawigiri, our third deputy, and in charge skilling in Uganda. This one, and a lecturer mathematics. Mr. Katunja Levias, our academic registrar, and a lecturer police. Mr. Mhuza Zanker, assistant academic registrar. Mr. Baruka Simon. Mr. Baruka Simon, Dean of Students in Shama Mugabana Batai. Dean of Students, ECG tutor. Mr. Natirina Hosana. Yes, Mr. Natirina Hosana, head of department business. Mr. Karukama Dixon, lecturer, public administration and management. Mr. Mastereka Wilbur. Where is Mr. Mastereka? He's okay. Mr. Mastereka Wilbur, lecturer, PAM. Mr. Choncha Christina, our patron and lecturer business. Mr. Mohangus Eustace, lecturer information communication technology. Mr. Msigus Moses, lecturer journalism. Mr. Pidam Hachi Daniel, lecturer, where is Daniel? Journalism. Madame Nyirabitisha Juliet, lecturer research. Mr. Nisima Francis, lecturer tourism. Mr. Nasasira Alex, yes, lecturer information communication technology. Yeah, Madam. Yes.